Hi, this is Surbi from Digification. Let's see how you can add multiple ad creative in one single campaign in Meta. So we'll go to Ads Manager. Now here you'll see I have got one campaign, and on the top you can scroll, there is one ad set. In another video I have also shown how to create multiple ad set in one single campaign, but here we are learning how to create multiple ad creatives in single campaign. So I have one campaign which I have created. There's an ad set associated with this campaign, and there is, if you see, already I have two ads. So I'll show you how to create another ad in single same campaign. So what you'll do is you'll go to the third tab, ads, create. You can also duplicate existing ad. Here I'm creating one ad. Now this is the same campaign. I'll use the same ad set, and here's the ad. So let's say I'm creating another ad 3, continue. Now if you'll see in this single campaign, this is the third creative which I'm adding. You can put this preview on. Now here you have this option that do you want to create ad where you want to upload creative, or you want to choose from your existing post. So I'll go to create ad, setup creative. You can put image, you can put video. So let's say I'll upload one creative. You can upload a video, you can upload a creative. It could be static, it could be carousel, anything. So yeah, I'm just showing you how to do it. So all these things, alignment, you can check further. You can write a text, description, and you have multiple options here. So here we have added another creative, and all you have to do is add your primary text, add your call to action button. Here I have WhatsApp as call to action, which I'm using for the campaign, and publish. So if you see, there are two ads which are active in this single campaign, and there is one ad which I have turned off, and there's one ad which I have started now. So in single campaign, you can add multiple creatives by going to the third tab, add and create, or you could also duplicate existing one and change the creatives.